In today's video, I'm going to teach you the simple and secure way to purchase cryptocurrency using TrustWallet on your mobile device. Whether you're just beginning your crypto journey or looking to expand your portfolio, this guide will help you navigate the process with ease and confidence. Let's get started. First, make sure you've downloaded and installed TrustWallet on your mobile device. Once you have the app up and running, open it. This is your gateway to buying, storing, and managing various cryptocurrencies right from your phone. So let's walk through the process together. When you're on the home screen of TrustWallet, you'll notice a buy option. Tap on it. This feature allows you to purchase cryptocurrencies directly within the app, making it incredibly convenient. You'll be presented with a list of service providers to choose from, like MoonPay, Transact, and Mercurio. Each of these offers slightly different features and fees, so feel free to explore which one suits you best. For the purpose of this demonstration, choose the provider that aligns with your needs. Now, it's time to decide which cryptocurrency you want to acquire. Common choices include Ethereum, ETH, Bitcoin, a BTC, or Binance Coin, BNB. Simply enter the cryptocurrency that you're interested in, as well as the amount you'd like to purchase. It's always a good idea to double-check this information to ensure you're entering exactly what you intend to buy. Next, you'll need to choose your payment method. Most providers allow you to use a credit or debit card, and some may offer additional options like e-wallets, though these can vary depending on where you're located. Select the payment method that's most convenient for you. Before proceeding with the payment, one crucial step is to verify that your wallet address is correct. TrustWallet typically auto-populates this information into the form, but it's worth taking a moment to confirm its accuracy, as this is where your purchased cryptocurrency will be sent. Once everything is in order, go ahead and enter your card or e-wallet details and confirm the purchase. It might take a few moments, but your chosen provider will process the transaction and send the cryptocurrency to your wallet. Finally, check your TrustWallet for the updated balance. Sometimes the newly purchased tokens might not appear automatically. If this happens, tap the plus icon within the app, search for the token by name, and toggle it on to add it to your token list. Remember to save your changes, and voila! Your cryptocurrency balance is up to date. And there you have it. A simple, step-by-step process for buying cryptocurrency using TrustWallet on your mobile device. I hope this guide has been helpful and makes your crypto transactions as smooth as possible. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your investments.